math session. Sit down, sit down. It will not be like typical math session, okay? Don't be like afraid or scared. You are going to be like, I'll do some magic, I'll give you anything, okay? It's not going to be a typical math session, okay? I'll not be like your math teacher, okay? It's going to be fun. Yes? Okay? So, I'm supposed to walk like this a few tricks, okay? We call it like mental maths, okay? Or speed maths, whatever it is, okay? So, do you have any idea about mental maths? What is mental maths? The name itself is like very peculiar, right? Yes. Come on. Your birthday actually. Okay. So what does it come to your mind when you hear about the word mental maths? Yes. I've seen it. No? What's your name? So what comes to your head when you hear about mental maths? Yes. Say something, no? Say, sit down. Actually, I don't want you to be mind calculation. Yes, absolutely. So mind calculation, no? So mind calculation means what? We don't need papers or pens or anything, no? Phone or calculators, no? Suppose you're going for a shopping. Just imagine you're going for a shopping, okay? So you have a big list, hundreds of groceries you're buying, okay? Okay? You'll do that or not? Yes, okay. Then how will you calculate the total? The shopkeeper tries to cheat you or the other way, no? How will you calculate that? Oh my god, we are not using minds to calculate. We'll use our phones, no? We'll take our phone, smartphone, it has calculator, no? Just calculate it just like that, no? Then itself our brain is what? There's no use for our brain, no? It's dead there, no? But see, God has given us all a big gift, no? We have a human calculator inside, no? Mental calculator, already it's inbuilt inside you, no? So you could use that. If you start using that, what will happen? What will happen? Yes? It will confuse. No, it will not confuse, okay? Just at least for starting, you will feel like confusing or you'll not be like little bit out of comfort zone, okay? But later when you practice that, no, what happens is you will become a smart person, no? Very active person. Whatever life throws at you, you'll have a different approach, no? You'll get new ideas, no? Yes or no? Okay, but we are not doing that. Why? Basically, why we are not doing that? We don't want to go out of our comfort zone, no? We want to keep our... Oh my god, so everyone is ready to use it, no? Okay, so basically in today's session, no? I'll teach you few tricks, okay? These will come handy for you, okay? At least just while learning, you need to use your paper and pen just to make sure you don't forget it, okay? But most of the time when you practice, no, you will not require anything. We cannot expect ourselves to carry notebook or paper or pen, no, every time where we go, no. Yes or no? We will not have paper and pen every time, no. Then 75, then oh 65, okay. I'm looking for heavy numbers, no, bigger numbers. 85, 145, 225. You will have a different approach not only towards maths but also towards your studies and towards your life, okay? I'll just tell you an example. Before entering into this classroom and now after finishing and leaving, how many of you find at least, so how many of you have earned that? You have learned something new. So I think every one of you have learned that. So before entering here and leaving here, you should not be the same person. You should have at least some 5% increase in your what? Maths ability. No, I believe everyone who has participated has got that. So don't just go there outside and throw these papers and waste your time, okay? Because you have spent some 1 hour, 1.5 hours, no? So to make full productivity of this hour, you have to spend just 5, okay? And I want you to practice all these tricks which I taught you today so that it comes handy, okay? Do all these things. And good luck for everyone.